In this video I have to explain to a lady that she wrote me my Facebook page that she don't know how to make the magic circle. So I try to explain to you how easy it is. You can do it. So follow me in this tutorial and I'm gonna show you very slowly what you have to do. So first of all, take the yarn and put the end of the yarn here. So you turn it around your finger like that and put it back here. Hold it with your thumb. This part have to be in the back. Insert your hook here and grab the yarn. Pull and then you have it. Stay like that. So this is the yarn in the back. Take them on your finger, hold the circle and make a chain. 1, and you have your magic circle. Then you continue working inside. Just pretend that we're gonna do single crochet, yarn over, inside the magic circle. This is double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and close 2, and then again let's go do a single crochet, and you keep working inside the magic circle. When you're done, you close it, pull the yarn, and then you close in the first chain. Let's go do it again. So this is the end of the yarn, put it here, or I can teach another way. Let's go see if it's gonna be more easy for you. Just put the yarn like that around your finger like that. It just pretend that you have to make a knot like that. See? Chain 1, and then you start to work it again inside the circle with your single crochet. Yarn over, no yarn over for single crochet, and then I show you how you have to close the magic circle too. Okay, we do a couple stitch here, so pull the yarn but don't close it all, because if you close it all you're not gonna be able to see where you have to close the magic circle. So this is the chain 1, it doesn't count. You have to go in the first single crochet here. You see it? This is the first single crochet. Close it with slip stitch and you have the magic ring. Now when you close with slip stitch, tie your yarn in the back and then you start working around here. So let's go do it again, the first one and the second one. Put your yarn here around your finger, put it back, hold it like that, or you can hold it like that, around, put your thumb here, insert the hook here, pull the yarn, pull through, and then you have the chain. Now hold it with this hand, take them out your finger and you have the ring. Now you're gonna do chain 1 and then you start to do single crochet around. And the other method that you can use is this one, and around your finger, like you have to make a knot. Like that, like that. See, okay, like that, look. Like that. Pass the yarn under, grab the loop, insert your hook, and chain one. So I hope this tutorial is gonna be helpful for you. Let me know, and then I try to explain much better. Tell me where is your difficulty to make a magic circle. Okay, thank you.